Welcome back to the living room, everybody. I know there's probably a lot of you out there that was hoping that this video was going to begin in the kitchen. I do promise that we are going to be starting the kitchen really soon.
Yeah.
But we do have a couple of little bits and pieces that we that we need to get done in the living room. So Tyler's going to do. What are you doing? Come be in the video. So what are you doing?
I'm laying mopboard. Mopboard was derived in the early 17th century to keep dirt away from the wall. No, I
You had me, I was like, really? So yeah, he's gonna do the like the baseboard trim.
Interesting how this piece.
Because it's not quite finished. There is some trim over here on the walls and the corners that I do need to putty, like the nails, and I do need to paint that as well, but we don't actually have that same color of paint anymore. We can't seem to find it at the Kent where we live, so not really sure what the plan is for that, but. And then I think I'm gonna wash a rug. Since it's been such a long time since we posted the last video, here is a quick little recap. We sanded down the old stain on the stairway to the basement, which created an incredible mess. There was dust everywhere, which took a little while to clean up. But once it was cleaned up, I prepped the stairs for stain and went ahead and stained them this really nice dark wood color that matches the flooring that we put down in the basement. And then we went ahead and touched up the stairs because we did accidentally sand off some of the paint that we painted in a previous episode. And then we finished off the video by painting a couple of other little places in the basement that needed a refresh. Which brings us to this next episode.
Arizona garden, stucco in the heat.
So by rights,
By
rights,
there should be a stud there.
let me get you on your feet. Arizona garden with my little cactus flowers. The days of the golden hour. We've got nothing but time and music, and a sweet cold drink in the heat. Oh, I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you every step of the way. Prickly pear in a sandy bed, holding me close, but loving you hurts my head. Oh, Arizona gardens in the afternoon. No matter what happens, it's me and you, baby. Nothing but time and music, and a sweet cool drink on her feet. I'll be beside you every step of the way, right here beside you every step of the way, every step of the way.
So it's officially time to start doing something I've kind of been putting off for a while, which is sealing the stairs. So I have this can of polyurethane, which is supposed to be fast drying, but I think it takes like 4 hours. This is actually the same stuff that I used on the bench DIY, if you guys watched that video. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna paint it on, and then I can't go up and down the stairs until it's dry. So I'm gonna start at the top and go down the bottom, and then I'll have to leave the basement through the outside door.